Tony finds old things today, turns them into art and play. Boxes, bottles, paper too. Boxes, bottles, paper tubes, he loves to do. Creative crafts for everyone. Recycled bottles shine so bright. Tony paints it with delight. Rocket fly into the sky. Craft ideals are flying high. Recycling is cool and fun. Cardboard robots standing tall, funny dancing for us all. Tony built it with great care. Creative magic everywhere. Art can come from simple things. Tin can flowers red and blue. Tony paints a colorful view. Old things now look fresh and bright. Crafting feels so full of light. Happy art room all day long. Paper rolls become a tool. Tony thinks recycling cool. Looking far with binoculars. Adventure opens many doors. Creative fun begins today. Egg carton fish swim around. Crafty treasures can be found. Tony smiles with joyful cheer. Ocean art is finally here. Recycling makes magic grow. Toy car made from boxes neat. Bottle cap wheels look so sweet. Tony drives it on the floor. Then he builds a little more. Creative mind shines today. Rainbow made from paper bright, filling room with joyful light. Tony glues each color down. Brightest rainbow in the town. Crafting makes the world so fun. All the artwork on display. Tony smiles with pride today. Recycled crafts look so grand, made by his creative hands to clap. Tony is eco-hero bright, helping Earth with all his might, turning trash to art each day, creative fun in every way, recycle magic everywhere.